In this video, let's talk about how to publish your GroovePages site on your own domain. When you finish your GroovePages site, you also have the option to publish it onto your own domain name. To publish your page, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the button labeled Publish. When you click on it, you will be presented with multiple options to publish your page. To publish your site onto your own domain name, select Publish on your domain and enter in your domain name. When you have done so, click on Publish. Cloudflare is an internet service that you can use to protect your website. There are several services available, but the one that we are looking for is the feature that will make our websites secure. The way you know a website is secure is when the URL in the address bar begins with HTTPS as opposed to just HTTP. To make your website URL secure, you can go to cloudflare.com and get started by clicking on the Sign Up button to create your free account. Note that you have two options. One, by clicking up here where it says Sign Up, or you will find another Sign Up button right down here. This will then take you to the Cloudflare sign up page. Note that all fields here are required, including your email address and a password. In addition, your password must contain at least 8 characters, a digit, as well as a special character, such as a question mark, exclamation point, period, or any other special character that you want. When you have done this, click on the Create Account button. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Cloudflare account. In order to publish your GroovePages site onto your own domain name, you will need to add in your domain name into Cloudflare. While inside your Cloudflare account, you will be prompted to add your site, which needs to be your own domain name. This is also the page that you will be redirected to after you have completed your account's creation process. If, for whatever reason, you're inside your Cloudflare account but do not see this page, you can get here by clicking on the button that you see on the top right corner of your screen, labeled Add Site. Once here, to get started, simply enter in your domain name into this field. Note that this needs to be your own domain name that you have registered with a domain registration provider. Once you have entered in your domain name, click on Add Site. You will then be asked to select a plan, which you can learn more about by clicking on Learn More About Our Plans. For now, we're simply going to go with the free plan because that's all we need for the time being. Select Free and click on Confirm Plan. Cloudflare then scans your domain for existing DNS records, which it will then import into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once here, click on the drop-down menu and select CNAME. For name, assuming that you want your GroovePages website to display on the home page of your domain, otherwise known as the root page, enter in the @ symbol. Where it says domain name, enter in host10.groovepages.com. Finally, confirm that your security is enabled for this website by ensuring that TTL is active and that the CNAME record does have its traffic proxied through Cloudflare. When complete, you can now save your new DNS record and click on Continue. You would then see this page where it asks you to select a method for moving your domain name to Cloudflare. The default method means that you would simply change your name servers the regular way, so there's nothing really different, which means that this may be the easier and faster way. For your consideration, there is a second option that allows you to use Cloudflare as your new domain name registration company, which is going to require you to transfer your domain name from your existing registration over to Cloudflare. To simplify and expedite this process for us, we are simply going to select the default method for now. Once you have done so, You will be redirected to the page with the instructions to change your name servers. To complete your Cloudflare name server setup, you will now need to change the DNS within your domain registration account. Regardless of which domain name registration company you are using, your tasks are the same. This means logging into your domain registration account, removing any existing name servers that might already be set, and replacing those with the ones that Cloudflare is providing you on this page. While this simple two-step process is already explained on this page, note that your first step may be different depending on your domain registration company. As you can see, Cloudflare knows which domain registrar you have used, and in step number 1, they will tell you to log in to that account. Because the dashboard, navigation, and menu names could differ for each individual registration company, you are advised to navigate through the account yourself, identify your domain name, find where you can manage that domain, and look for where you can change your name server or DNS records. Once you have found a place to enter in your own name servers, or custom DNS, or whatever your domain registrar wants to call it, you will then go back to Cloudflare to find the new name servers that you need to enter into your account. Again, keep in mind that what you're looking at right now may not be what you see on your own screen, and that's because you might not be using the same domain registration company as what you see over here. For yours, simply do what you can to follow along and find where you can replace name servers within your own account. Once you have done so, confirm your changes within your domain registration account to continue. When you have done this, click on Done, check name servers. On the next page, this is the security option that we are looking for. By default, up top, you will see that your SSL/TLS encryption mode should be set to full. Make sure it remains at full, or if not, check on the radio button that says full. Next, for always use HTTPS, you will want to toggle the switch to turn it on. As for everything else on this page, you can simply leave them as they are and click on Done. Congratulations! Your domain setup for GroovePages is complete, and you should be able to publish your site on your own domain name. However, keep in mind that name server transfers can take up to 24 or 48 hours, maybe even longer. Please be patient while your DNS propagates. Refer back to our help desk and tutorials if you have any problems, or contact our support team directly if you have specific questions.